Hi guys, it's me Luis again. We have this one is a 2015 Toyota Corolla. Remember, every time before I do my videos, I inspect the car. So I don't put on, you don't see in my videos because it takes a little more longer. So like you see, I have scratches, damage, you know, that's gonna be on my video because I have to just prove all this damage. I didn't do it. I already checked my everything signals, you know, lights, wipers, control switch, the video mirrors, everything inside has to be checked before, or you can have problems with the complaints like you damage something. Okay, so I already test that one, so I don't put in the video because it's a little more longer. So the only I'm showing is the video when I'm doing the job. Okay, remember this one's coming easy, it's not a very big deal. Now this one many glassman does is take the wipers off, or just pull the wipers and take this little trim or molding here and just slide in the glass between the cowl and this part of the pitch wheel. So it's not really good because it's gonna have complaints about the install. Okay, try to do it on the right way. Just pull in your cowl. A little more dip here. There you go. Sometimes these kind of clips are really old, they dry too much because the engine, remember, is very hot on this part. Okay, you got two clips, and remember the part on the bottom, the same like the Toyotas, Lexus, everything has a little clips. You can hold it from here and pull it. Okay, just like that. And you can release these clips without break. Okay, got my corners here. So now we got this part already. Remember, it's not really deep, this guys, except for this part right here. Okay, this part. So I have some little hooks, you know, by the I think I lost some of those last time because I stick these ones here, but when I pass the dump they jump and all fold and I can find it. So it's gonna be a little difficult to me make these deep glasses in the bottom. I got just one these ones hooks, but I'm gonna use one here, and I think it's a bit enough. I stick on the urethane right there. Okay, that one right there. So I'm gonna use my, remember, my Pro 6 because I like more this one. Gotta take the baby mirror. This is a regular removal. Remember, I'm gonna start here. This one here. Turn a little bit because I gotta just finish in this area. And I'm gonna start here. Okay. Remember, we have a gravity stops, but they are not a big problem with the temperature is hot because the glue is very easy to cut, you know, between the gravity stop and the glass. So we're gonna go right there. I'll just insert my line. Okay, and there we go. Put my line here. Little more line here. There you go. A little more. Sometimes this part right here, they're a little deeper. Right there. Okay. Okay, make sure your line it's not stuck. Remember, you have double pitch wheel in these ones. Make sure it's fine. Just touch it and you're gonna feel it. The line is in place. Using the hooks right here, I got just one. I lost the other one. I have to order, so right, looks good. Let's go inside. Remember, you stuck with the metal, you're gonna feel it when you start making the cuts. Because what I'm doing here, I'm gonna lock this one right there. We start making the cut. You can see the line cutting through. And then remember to get the corners here. There you go. Okay. Remember, we gotta grab it, stop exactly right here in the corner. We're gonna go through. There you go. We just lock that one, and we'll continue working now on this part. Okay. Right there. And remember, we're locking out this one. Oh yeah, I was confused to work this one. There you go. Right there. Alright. Okay guys, so we already cleaned this one, so I'm gonna clean my B. You see the open from its intake, so no problems. So I'm gonna clean my B, get my glass ready, and I'll be right back to set. See you in the next shot. Okay, now we're gonna make a clean our B. So I put my little block right there. Remember, when I cut just the B, no more deep than that. Just right there. Remember, less scratches is better because we don't use too much primer, and the bonding is better. It's already smooth. Lamination all the time happen, okay? Careful right here. Okay, now we're gonna just blow out the dust a little bit. Let me just the water. I'm gonna clean the V, okay? Now this one has a little more dirt than usually, so what I'm doing, I'm gonna clean with the G100 because I think the dirt's a little more heavy on this one. I don't want to make any problem with the seal, so try to get clean. Sometimes the dirt is too much. You see all the dirt? Now it's clean. Now it's clean. So I didn't make any, not too much scratches. So I'm gonna use I'm gonna use P2G. Remember, I'm gonna just put some points little here with the prime because I didn't scratch too much this way. So just one spot there. Nothing here. A little bit here. And that's it. Okay, so very small amount. Okay, so we let it dry. And let's get the glass. It's gonna be 3913. Alright. Okay, so let me just put this one here as a porch. Right there. There we go. Okay, with that one right there. So this one go back to the other one. It's broken already. Okay guys, so I didn't pull before because I don't want to hit this overheat because it's too hot today. I'm not wearing my nitro gloves because I finished all of it. I had 2 days without have a time to go and buy new ones, so I'm gonna go right now after this to buy a new ones, a new box. So I don't like to touch these chemicals with my hand, just with my hands. But I don't have any now. And I have to buy new towels, so I gotta go shopping. Now remember, we're going to use our battery. It dries really fast when it's hot. Remember, after it starts to dry, and is when it start cleaning the contaminants. Not before. Before, when it's wet, it's just sliding on the glass. But after it start drying, you're gonna feel a little more hard to clean, and that's when it start buffing and cleaning the surface of this pitch of the frit on the glass. You see? I clean already and you still see the dirt. So that have to either wear your nitro or you're gonna have chemicals on your skin. Where is my G100? I do use already here. Come on. Well, we're gonna use another one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use P2G, but remember, I know the instructions say you don't have to use primer or activator, but I do, because I was making some tests. I'm gonna show you later in another video. I made a couple of tests and very interesting results. So about using no primer or activator and primer, so I make like a 6 simple samples, and I did is put a whole piece of glass and it's holding a weight. So I put different size attached with a little a small amount of glue, but using different styles like just beta breed, just GA cleaning with GA100, no primer. So the results are really interesting. I'm going to show you the video later. So but I find is the best result is put activator and primer. Okay, I'm gonna make it dry first, and after that I'm gonna apply my primer, and I'll be right back. Okay, just soon I dry this one, I put the primer, wait another 6 minutes, and I'll be right back just to set the glue. Okay, see you next shot. Okay guys, so after 6 minutes, all dry already. My activator, my primer is coming from the factory a little bit, so everything is ready to set. Now I'm gonna skip the part when I put the urethane, you know, on the glass, because I already finished the tool. Remember I talking about it's gonna help you to put the urethane on the glass, because this caulking gun is really heavy, very heavy. So when you hold in the caulking gun for many years, in my case like this, I feel a lot of pain in the shoulder. So I made something is under right there, so I cannot show you. I'm sorry, maybe people are gonna don't like the video because I don't show you the idea, but I'm gonna show you later. The only I can tell you is this part is gonna be attached here, and it's gonna help me just to make these caulking guns don't feel the weight. It's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna put a little piece right there, you see. That's it, no more. I can show you more, because if not, it's gonna be, I'm gonna show early. Just let me get it. I'm just testing now. It's really nice, it's working really good. So but I need to work in the design. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this part. You see it's very small, very small. It's 2 parts, it's this big. Okay, so I'm gonna show you later when is the time. So I'm gonna set this one and this one, and you'll be ready when it's ready. Okay, so see you in the next part, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set my glass now. Remember corners and corners. So now I'm sorry guys, you guys don't like the video because I didn't show the little tool I'm making, but it's no time yet. Okay, so very nice. I don't feel pain anymore in my shoulder. So but I show you that one soon. I get it, the details, you know, I want to see the design, the color. So let me just get it done, and I'm gonna share with you guys, but just wait a little bit more. Okay, go up a little bit, because honestly what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna submit my my place in a Autoglass Week as a competition in Florida, but I'm not sure I'm gonna be selected. Just let me see if I can. If I do, I see you there, guys, but I don't know yet. It's gonna be hard to go in that place, because my style, I think, is more like a street style, and those guys over there, they are, you know, the big guys, they're playing more like a I don't know, another kind of skills, but you know, different styles. Like when you're working on the streets is different when you're working in a shop all day, working inside. You go slow, you have all the time you want, no problems with the weather, no problem with the bad glasses, or you know, defecting glasses. So I think that's why it's different style. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna fit in that place, but if I do, I'm gonna make Texas be proud, guys. But let me just get it done. Okay, we're pushing down a little bit, not too much. You expand the glue a little bit because it's hot. You can go too low and show inside. All right. Okay guys, so well, now I think one more time, sorry about the video because you don't see how I set the glue, with the new tool I have, with my invention, but it's just I need to work on details and style. So remember, you know how everything is gonna finish. Cowl, wipers, and that's it, something simple. So see you in the next video, guys. We have more to do today. See you next.